Hey everyone, I'm so excited to share my Conair fabric shaver and lint remover with you. It's seriously been a game changer for my clothes and furniture. Let me start by showing you my shaver. It's got these sharp stainless steel blades that work perfectly for getting rid of all that pesky lint, fuzz, and pilling. I love how easy it is to use and it's safe for most fabrics, which is a huge plus. My sweater had a ton of fuzz, so I thought this would be a great test. The shaver has 3 adjustable levels, so I can pick the perfect setting for my sweater. It's so satisfying to see how it lifts all the pilling away, leaving my sweater looking brand new. The 2-inch shaving head covers more area at once, and the ergonomic handle makes it super comfortable to hold for longer sessions. Plus, the detachable lint catcher makes cleanup super easy. I love that it's battery operated and compact, perfect for travel or just storing in a drawer. If you want to keep your clothes looking fresh, this fabric shaver is definitely a must have.